Hello, I'm John from IH Manchester, and today I'm going to show you how to use IH Campus. IH Campus is integrated into all of our classroom teams and has thousands of extra videos, lessons and activities to help you improve your English even more. So first of all, get into Microsoft Teams. For more information about how to get into Microsoft Teams, check out our Teams video. So we'll click on our class team. And we need to go to resources. So down the left hand side, click on resources. Now up the top here, you'll see IH Campus. You'll also see the IH Campus guide. So this can give all of this information in written form. It also has your password for using IH Campus. So when you've got your password, we'll click on IH Campus and it'll come up here. And we can pop that in. It is case specific, so be careful. So we pop that in and we're in. Fantastic. So first thing you see is this page. I really like this particular page because it gives you regularly updated reading activities. And best of all, you can change the difficulty level. You can also do activities based on the reading. So definitely something to be checking out. Probably most importantly is practice. So we pop into practice and here is where we get all of the different lessons, activities that you can do using IH Campus. So you'll see that there are lots of different activity types. Grammar lessons, pronunciation work, listening lessons, speaking lessons, vocabulary lessons, absolutely everything. You can also search by level or by topic. So for example, if you're doing an exam, maybe you've got an essay for homework and you want to get extra vocabulary on that particular topic, really useful. You can also search by different types of English that you might be studying, English for academic purposes, business English, etc. And very handily, you can also search by exam types. So for example, if you're doing an IELTS, you can click on here and get lots of extra practice for IELTS exam type questions. So that's it from me. I hope you found it useful. More importantly, I really hope you find IH Campus useful because it's a great resource for extra practice. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.